What's good, everyone? Half Dead EDC here with another new knife unboxing, unpackaging, whatever. But today, if you remember in a couple videos back, I made an order to Flytanium for some Flytanium parts, bits for the beef, and they sent me a scale. If you remember what that scale is, then you'll know exactly what this knife is. I didn't even know what this was when I first opened it, or when I opened that package and saw that scale. So, CRKT, Columbia River Knife and Tool. I always liked CRKT. Owned one back in the day, but that's been way back when. Paperwork. And the piece de resistance. The CRKT Pillar 3. G10 handle. Aluminum backspacer. Oh yeah. I like the holes, not studs. But D2 bearing system, one scale G10, grippy G10, perfectly shaved down to allow easier access. But man, the ergonomics of this knife are just perfect. I love this knife. This is going to be a definite everyday carry for sure for simple tasks. And then you know what? There's not any lock stick. Most new knives that you get have lock stick. This little hard to deploy, but with some lube. But man, no lock stick. Like, it's buttery smooth. The lining on it is perfectly centered. Beautiful. But yeah, we will definitely do some more on this knife and something different coming up. So check it out. Y'all have a good one.